Okay, children, today we are going to say about the term 1, the unit 3rd, a poem, a voyage. So, in this lesson, the animals are setting down for a voyage. Voyage na enna? Payanam, neenda payanam. Ship la poradhu neenda payanam da voyage. So, this poem is third unit. For the term 1, I am taking this poem also. This also for the Affali exam, I will give the poem. So, read the poem, whatever I am giving on the board. So, this poem is about the horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat. Decided one morning to hire a boat. So, the horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat. Ape na theriyu, goat you also know. Decided one morning, they decided to hire a boat. Or boat வந்து வாடகைக்கு. Hire means they are going to take a boat. To leave their own country and find a new one. அவங்க country விட்டுட்டு இன்னொரு new countryக்கு they want to find out. They want to go there. Very much in the manner Columbus had done. இப்போ கொலம்பஸ் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சாரோ ஒரு இடத்த ஒரு ஃபுல்லாக சுற்றி வந்து ஒரு இடத்த கண்டுபிடிச்சார் அமெரிக்கா. லைக் தட் they also want to find out a new country. ஸோ அதனால to leave their own country and find a new one, very much in the manner Columbus had done. So like this, what they happened in the while traveling on the boat, இந்த வாயேஜில் பண்ணும்போது அவங்களுக்கு என்ன நடந்தது. தேர்ட் ஒன் இஸ் த போட் வென்ட் ஏ செயிலிங். ஸோ அந்த போட் வந்து போயிட்டே இருந்ததான். த போட் வென்ட் ஏ செயிலிங் இல்லையா, காற்றுல அசைஞ்சு இட்ஸ் கோஸ் ஆன் அவே அண்ட் அவே and away. அந்த வேவ்ஸில் the boat is going away and away. It sailed and they sailed. So boat sail ஆகும்போது it sailed and they sailed. That animals also sailed along with the boat for a night and day. So day and night அது போட்டில் sail ஆகிட்டு that animal also went along with the boat. Then when all of a sudden, next one is suddenly what happened. Shipla போகும்போது suddenly the climate might have changed. Then all of a sudden என்னாச்சுன்னா திடீர்னு ஒரு காற்று அடிச்சதான். There blew a great gale. There blew a great gale. Gale காற்று, வேகமான காற்று. There blew a great gale. So all this you will put the commas and end வந்து full stop. The horse was a tremble. அப்போ அதுலேருந்து ஹார்ஸ் என்ன ஆச்சா, அந்த ஹார்ஸ் வாஸ் ட்ரெம்பிள், நடுங்க ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சான். போட் வந்து ஆஃப்டர் தட் வாட் ஹேப்பன், ஸ்ட்ராங் வெயின் த போட் என்ன ஆச்சு, இட் பிகான் பேலன்ஸ் இல்லாமல் அதை அப்படியே வேவ்ஸில் அடிச்சுட்டே போகுது. தட் டைம் த ஹார்ஸ் வாஸ் ட்ரெம்பிள், ஷிவரிங் ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சிச்சு. த டைகர் க்ரூ பேல். த டைகர் என்ன ஆச்சு, அது முகமே இட்ஸ் பிகம் வெரி பேல்னா அப்படியே பயந்த மாதிரி ஆயிடுச்சு. த டைகர் grew. The tiger grew pale. Okay, then the ape and the goat. So on the boat like ape and the goat irundhuchu. The ape and the goat, what happened? Nearly fainted together. அது எல்லாமே அப்படியே nearly fainted together. மயங்கர நிலைமைக்கு போயிடுச்சிங்களா, fainted together. But the boat went a sailing. But போட் என்னாச்சு, அது பாட்டுக்கு போயிட்டே இருந்துச்சு. போட் வென்ட் ஏ சேலிங். ஓகே, ஸோ வெரி ஈஸி போயம், ரைமிங்காக ஈஸியாக தான் இருக்குது. இன் ஸ்பைட் ஆஃப் பேட் வெதர். ஸோ என்ன தான் பேட் வெதர் இருந்தாலும் இந்த போட் பாட்டுக்கு இன் ஸ்பைட் ஆஃப் பேட் வெதர் த போட் ஆல்சோ சேலிங். தென் வாட் ஹேப்பன், யா சேலிங் எ சேலிங். யா சேலிங் போயிட்டே இருக்கு. ஐலசன்னு சொல்கிற மாதிரி யா சேலிங், yeah sailing. So what happened, yes sailing it goes. Elelo ailasa mari iduvum the sailing it goes to a wonderful country. Suddenly enga poi irundangala, to a wonderful country. ஒரு புது இடத்த கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டாங்களா, to a wonderful country which nobody knows. யாருக்குமே தெரியாதாம், which nobody knows. So this poem is having the 28 lines. So I am writing all this. The horse and the tiger, again the horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat. So all the animals, what all the animals it went, the horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat, the ape and the goat. has found a new one. Has found a new one. என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க? As Columbus had done. As Columbus had done. That's all the poem. So the boat went a sailing away and away. It sailed and they sailed for a night and day. So four lines are there. Here 4 lines and these 4 lines, and in spite of bad weather, these 4 lines, and which nobody knows. This is the 4 lines. So 4 line is there. Okay. So when all of a sudden there blew a great gale. Suddenly the wind blew strong. The horse was tremble. Horse become shivering. The tiger grew pale. The tiger on the bite, its face become pale. The ape and the goat in the boat. Ape and the goat is also there. Nearly fainted together. So they become fainted. The Michael make point. But boat went a sailing in spite of bad weather. But boat the bad weather waves it went on sailing. Yeah, sailing, it goes. Poga poite in the boat it's sailing to a wonderful country which nobody knows. So kadasila sail a wonderful country which nobody knows. The horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat has found a new one as Columbus had done. So the horse, the tiger, they have found a new place that Columbus kandupidicha mari. They find a new country. So pudu country they hired a boat, and all of a sudden the storm, suddenly a storm came and affected the boat and it's sailing, and all the animals in the become tremble. So you can learn these lines also. I have written the poem on the board. You learn these lines, and meaning is also is there. Hire, used temporarily for some time for an agreed payment. Sail, travel in your boat. Tremble. So glossary meanings you can see from here. In the book itself you are having, children. Hire, use temporarily. Use temporarily. For some time. For some time. For an agreed payment. Our kudukuradhukku payment ku we have to pay something to hire. Neenga ipa cycle hire panningala like that. Use temporarily for some time for an agreed payment. Kuduthirukra porula konja nerathukku use pannittu kudukuradhukku we have to pay the money. That is the hire. Then sail. Sail means travel in a boat. Sail, travel in a boat. Then tremble. Tremble na shake or shiver. Tremble, shake or quiver slightly. You can write tremble also. Okay. Then fainted. Fainted means what? Lose consciousness for a long time. அப்படியே மயக்கமாகவே வந்துடுறது. கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் ஃபார் எ லாங் டைம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த மீனிங்ஸ் அபவுட். ஓகே, ஸோ லேர்ன் திஸ் மீனிங்ஸ் அண்ட் தென் த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் they match the following. They are given animals and the match the followings they are given. So you have to match it. So here they are given the animals, but I'll write the name of the animal. So B is match. Pale, they are given, and then tremble. They are given the some of the pictures in the one's another side. So I no need to draw the pictures. Just I'll write the name of the animal. You can put the marks. First one is monkey, they are given, and second one is tiger, they are given, and third one is horse. So what happened to them? So pale, tiger only becomes the pale, and tremble is the horse, and fainted is the monkey. So this is the match the following, and write the rhyming words. Next they are given the rhyming words. What are the rhyming words here? So in the poem some of the rhyming words are there. So we have to write this. So one, done. This is page number 131. One and done. Away, day. Goat and boat. and then gale, pale. So this is the rhyming words. Okay, children. Now we will move on to the choose the correct answer. So choose the best answer. Only 3 they are given. So all this in the book itself. So pay the fees and buy the book, children. So easy to learn for you if you are having the book. Choose the best answer. The animals dash the boat. The animals enna pannuchu dash the boat. Hire a boat. So here they are given the options. A is buy and B is make and C is hire. So which one is correct? Hire. And next one. Suddenly there was a dash. Suddenly there was a dash. There was a gale. What are the options they are given? Rain, gale and thunder. So you can write the answer gale. Okay. And now the next one. So learn all this, children. Don't waste your time. Answer the following. Answer the following. So what all I am giving, you just go through this. Don't waste your time. Why did they sail? Why did they sail? ஏன் அவங்க சேல் பண்ணாங்க? எதுக்கு போட்டை ஹையர் பண்ணிட்டு சேல் பண்ணாங்க? Why did they sail? They sailed to find a new country. Answer is they sailed. Question sail வந்து answer sailed எழுதணும். They sailed to find a new country. Okay, they sailed to find a new country. Then the next one. Like whom did they want to do? Like whom did they want to do? Whom did they want to do? They wanted to do like Columbus. They wanted to do like Columbus. Then the last one, number 3. Did they find a new country? Did they find a new country? Yes, they find a new country. They found. Answer is yes. They found. Yeah. New country. Okay, so this poem is also for the exam. This is from the first term I am giving. So go through this also, what all you are given. And the next one is let us know. In the grammar we have to use and, but and or. Okay, and, but, or. So this and, but and or, where to use it? Unit 3 only, page number 132. Use and, but and are. So here you have to use, we use and to join the both the same sentences. He has a bat, he has a ball. So he has bat and a ball. We use but to join that or opposites irukadhukku but use பண்ணுவோம். He has a bat, he does not have a ball. அப்போ he has a bat but not a ball. And or we use or if you have to choose any one out of many. That is, do you want rice, do you want idli? So திரும்பி do you கேட்காம do you want rice or idli? Okay. Now in this they are given the exercises. Just fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with and, but, or. Very easy one. And, but, and, or. One and use பண்ணனும், but இல்லனா or use பண்ணனும். I play tennis, and cricket. So you have to use and. Second one, the dove and the ant are friends. The dove and the and podano and the ant are friends. So ரெண்டு பேர் பற்றி சொல்லும்போது and வரணும், dove and ant. I want popcorn, not pizza. I want popcorn. எனக்கு பாப்கார்ன் தான் வேணும், not pizza. Sorry, but not pizza. Not pizza. Then, do you want tea or coffee? Do you want tea or coffee? Tea வேணுமா coffee வேணுமா கேட்கும்போது tea or coffee. Then, an elephant is big. An elephant is big but slow. Would you like bananas or mangoes? Would you like bananas or mangoes? So banana illa mango abhi two things varumbodhu you have to put R. So this is the fill in the blanks. You have to learn this also, children. This is from page number 133. So this is also included for the OFLE examination. And this poem, memory poem and poem question answer is also there. So everything you have to learn, choose the best answer, match rhyming words. And this poem, here it is 28 lines. So you can memorize 12 lines in this voyage poem. Okay. Okay, children. So learn this poem. Once again, I'll go through this poem. So 12 lines you can learn. The horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat decided one morning to hire a boat to leave their own country and find a new one, very much in the manner Columbus had done. The boat went sailing away and away. It sailed and they sailed for night and day. And when all of a sudden there blew a great gale, the horse was a tremble, the tiger grew pale. So the ape and the goat nearly fainted together, but the boat went sailing in spite of bad weather. Yes, sailing, yes, sailing, yes, sailing it goes to a wonderful country which nobody knows. The horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat has found a new one as Columbus had done. So learn this poem, it's easy, and in a second time also you are having one more poem. So 2 poems and 2 lessons. So go through all this, what all the lessons and exercises we are given in the board. Go through this and learn very well for the exam. Thank you.